Very good morning. Very good morning, friends. This is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, and this is gonna be, for someone, maybe a boring live stream. I'm going to monitoring this 6-meter band, or the magic band, and looking for some propagations here on 6. They appear sporadically during the day, and today seems to be a chance to have a propagations on 6 meter. If you're interested in try to test, you can make a call here on 5130 and you will see if there is propagation or not. Time to time I will do some short call here, or I will try to tune some stations. I see some signals already on the screen. As you can see, this signal here, this is the FT8 signals, and they are pretty strong already. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter, CQ6 meter, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ on 6 meter band, CQ on 6 meter band, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Listening. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango calling CQ on 6 meter, CQ on 6 meter, CQ on 6 meter band. I am Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango is calling and listening for the radio check. Alright guys, I will be quiet, or I will try to be quiet as more as possible, because 6 meter band is not always fully open and we are looking for tiny signals, especially a phone or single sideband signals. If the band is closed or not fully open, it is sometimes very difficult to hear, but there is no noise here on my side. There is no noise. It's really clean band. I'm currently using the preamp 2 on my receiver, which is the highest preamp, and signal is still, the background noise is still zero, S0 over here, so you can enjoy actually even the noise. That's really nice noise to listen. For me, it's like a relax actually. Alright, so let's go. Receiving. CQ on 6 meter band, CQ6, CQ 6 meter band, CQ6. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango calling on 6 meter band for the propagation check. The propagation check. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango is calling CQ and listening.
QRZ, please.
CQ 6 meter band, CQ6, I am Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, CQ6. CQ6, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, the propagation check. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, the propagation check. Calling CQ 6 meter and listening. Antenna is currently beaming northwest, so I will rotate the antenna time to time to a different directions. And here you can see the ICOM 7610, which I'm using right now. And you can see the spectrum scope on it. and here is the antenna direction. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango listening. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Sierra Papa 9, Sierra Papa 9 again. Sierra Papa 9, Sierra Papa 9 again, please. Sierra Papa 9 Delta Hotel India, I believe. Sierra Papa 9 Delta Hotel India, I believe. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I hope that it is you, over. It is almost not readable. Well, as this is a monitoring frequency for Europe 15130 for the phone mode, I am going to a different frequency. I'm going to 140 or maybe 35. Yeah, I'm going to 35. 50.135. And of course this is the FT8. So as you see, that FT8 is in full strength. Let me know if you need I rotate my antenna towards your direction. Antenna now is beaming northwest, and if you give me your location, I can rotate my antenna towards you and try to listen to your signal. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ6 meter band and listening. So here you can see actually how the FT8 is working on 6 meter right now here in my location. We can see several countries. I don't know, Russia, Hungary, Spain, Poland. Interesting. Oh yeah, this is really annoying to listen to the FT8. I really don't like the sounds, whistling and so on. I just wanted to show you that the 6 meter band is open. It's not open maybe for very strong signals, but here on the FT8 we can actually see what countries can be reached on 6 meter right now from my QTH. Some of them are calling CQ, like Sugar Papa 6 Oscar Juliet Kilo or Delta Lima 3 Bravo Quebec Alpha, or Hotel Foxtrot 9 Tango. I believe it's a Hungary. Okay, so let's go back to something better. 135. I will be monitoring this frequency for a while, and those of you who is interested in maybe QSO or hear his voice, let's go here. 5135 and make a call. Also, I would like to greeting everybody who just came to my channel. This is OM0ET channel. My name is Paul, and I'm going to do this live stream just for fun. Everybody who is interested in the magic band, which is 6 meter band or 50 megahertz band. There is negative noise here, no noise, very, very small noise. And preamp 2 is turned on my ICOM 7610 transceiver. I'm enjoying actually the hiss on this band because it's so quiet. And sporadically we can hear stations from Europe or sometimes even from the DX countries. CQ, CQ, CQ 6 meter band, CQ 6 meter band, CQ 6, CQ 6, CQ 6 meter band, CQ 6, CQ 6, CQ 6 meter band. This is the propagation check. This is the propagation check. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ on 6 meter band, over. CQ, CQ on 6 meter band, CQ 6, CQ 6 meter band, CQ 6, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. CQ6, CQ6 meter band, CQ6, CQ6 meter band, CQ6, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ on 6 meter band and listening. Hello Andy Coley and the others, Carmen, Labcat, thank you very much. Good luck with your cooking. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ6 meter band, CQ6. CQ6 meter band, CQ6 beaming south, beaming Africa. CQ6, CQ6 beaming to Africa. CQ6, CQ6 beaming South Europe, beaming Africa. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling and listening. Yeah, the magic band is very specific. It's not always open. It's opening just sporadically, so you can hear nothing on the band, and in a minute you can actually see a strong signal over there. So that's the reason why it's called like a magic band. CQ, 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 CQ 6 meter band, CQ6, CQ 6 meter band, CQ6, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band, CQ6. Beaming south, beaming Africa, CQ6, CQ6. I'm beaming Africa, beaming south, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. Ahoj bez stopy. The noise you can hear while I am rotating the antenna is coming from the motor in the antenna rotator. This can be heard only on this band. I cannot hear it. I don't hear it on 6 meter band or on the short waves. It's just here on 6 meter band. Question why? I don't know. CQ6, CQ6 meter band, CQ6, CQ6 meter band, CQ6 beaming east. I am beaming to east, beaming to east, beaming Russia, Ukraine, and Asia. CQ, CQ beaming east. This is the radio propagation check. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango calling CQ on 6 meter band beaming east, over. CQ, 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 beaming to east, beaming to east, beaming to Ukraine, Russia, and Asia. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, beaming east, over. CQ6 meter band, CQ6, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. This is the radio propagation check. I'm beaming to east, to Ukraine, Russia, and Asia. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. CQ6, 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 Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, calling CQ6 meter band and listening. I am using 2-element HEX beam, 7 meter over the ground. CQ, CQ6 meter band, CQ6, beaming to the Middle East, CQ6, CQ6, beaming to the Middle East, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, calling on 6 meter and listening. CQ6, CQ6 on 6 meter band, CQ6 meter band. Beaming to Middle East, beaming Southeast, beaming Southeast, beaming Asia and the Middle East. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango is calling CQ for the radio check. What is on 313? Pile up. FT8, yes. CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ 6 meter band, CQ 6 meter band, radio propagation check on 6. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on 6 meter band, calling CQ, anybody, anywhere. Oh, my ears. CQ, CQ, CQ6, 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 CQ6 meter band, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ6 meter. CQ6, CQ6, CQ6 meter band, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ6. Alright, so let's check 28 megahertz.
The frequency modulation was, which very good because she can
contact her friends in Ukraine. She can watch Turkish videos, or she can work for her students with her music. So it's okay. I can sit in my room. I can blah, blah, blah on the radio, and she's very happy. But she doesn't like me playing with the antennas. We did a bit of work on the HEX beam last week. Tony came over, and we just put a little bearing to lift the antenna by 1 millimeter because it was just difficult to secure the antenna with pins. I don't have a rotator. It is just a tube, just a pipe, and there are holes. We have 8 holes, north, east, south, west, and all the in between. And so I turned the antenna and put a pin to stop it moving. But it was just not fitting in. It was difficult to turn the antenna for a long, long time. So my HEX beam is always looking east. It's always looking to Kiev, Vlad QSL.
Alright, this strange noises, as you can hear right now, it's the Iranian over-the-horizon radar, a military radar, which is making a lot of noise every single day, especially here. But you may hear this signal or the jammer also in the States and maybe in Asia. It's coming very strongly from Iran. It's very annoying because the signal is very wide, and sometimes if you have not so good receiver, you can even hear this signal all across the 10-meter band. It's very unfortunate. And here we can see a chirps, and the origin of this chirps is still not very well known. We are just guessing that it is man-made or it is coming from high energetic particles from the sun. Hard to say, but what I know that people hear those strange chirps in Australia, in Asia, in Europe. Some say that it's a welding machines, mainly used in China, but I hear them always when the DX propagations are open. I try to find a squelch feature on HDSDR. I need to find it where it is. I don't see the squelch feature in the HDSDR, so if you know where it is, let me know. I would like to test the FM modulation here on 10 meter. I have no idea where the squelch. I just see the volume button. And this sounds, these lines straight across the band, this chirps-like sounds. It is the ionosonde.
Good morning, Paul.
Hello, CQ 10 meter, CQ 10 meter, CQ 10 in FM mode. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango in FM mode, calling CQ and listening. CQ10, CQ10, CQ10 in FM mode. CQ10, CQ10, FM mode. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. CQ10 meter band, CQ10 meter band, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ10 meter and listening. CQ10 meter, CQ10 meter, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango FM mode. CQ10 meter band, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango in FM mode, calling and listening.
Yeah, good morning, Paul. You're coming into the UK fine.
But you have to give me your call sign first, over.
Yeah, Paul, I'm not licensed, mate.
CQ10 meter band in FM mode, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, over. CQ10 meter band, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling CQ10. Charlie Tango 7, Bravo Echo Golf, correct? Charlie Tango 7, Bravo Echo Golf, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ, CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango in FM mode. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango in FM mode, calling and listening. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, FM mode. This is awesome. CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ10.
Golf 4 November India Zulu.
Golf 4 November India Zulu, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango returning. Good morning, Roger. My name Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. How do you copy? Over.
Good morning to you. Yes, you're about 5 and 9. A bit of distortion, but I guess that's the conditions. But yes, you're 5 and 9. Good morning to you, Paul or Pavel. I watch your videos quite frequently on YouTube and enjoy them a lot. Break.
Right, thank you very much, Roger, for watching the live stream. I presume that you are watching the live stream as well. I just wanted to test the FM mode, which is the mode I am not very often using. So you're coming here very nicely. Your 59 signal, 5 and 9 signal, just a little bit of noise, some time to time, but I copy you very good. It's like a local station here on FM. Golf for November India Zulu Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Yes, you're very good. No, I'm not watching the live stream at the moment. I was referring to all your technical and antenna videos that I've seen in the past. So yes, enjoy them very much. So keep them coming. So I'll let you get on. So from I shall say 73 to you and your family. From my family also. G4 and I said clear.
All right, very good, Roger. So then thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel and the videos. I hope that you enjoy. I wish you 7-3, enjoy the weekend, and hope to see you again. Golf 4, November India Zulu, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Have a good morning. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ on 10 meter band, CQ10 in FM mode, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ, 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 CQ10 meter band, CQ10. CQ, 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 CQ10 meter band, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ10, CQ, CQ10, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ10, CQ10, CQ10 meter band, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling and listening. Okay, I'm sorry, can you repeat again? Can you repeat? Okay, Foxtrot Lima 4, Foxtrot November, Fox Lima 4, Foxtrot November. Please give me a moment. I need to rotate my antenna toward Georgia. Okay, one moment, please. For Lima 4, Foxtrot November, Fox Lima 4, Foxtrot November, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Do you copy?
Yes, Paul, yes, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is 4 Lima 4 Foxtrot November. QSL, Paul?
QSL Ed, very good morning. Very good morning to you, and thank you very much for this the very first contact. Your signal report is 56 right now when I am pointing towards your direction at your 56 QSL.
Roger, Paul, Roger, thank you for the 5 and 6. Quite a significant QS Baker time to time, so first transmission was yours about 5 and 6, now it dropped to 5 and 2, 52 QSL.
Okay, QSL 4 Lima 4 Foxtrot November Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango returning. Thank you very much for the signal report. You're coming here very good, very strong right now when I am beaming towards your direction. And please give me your working conditions, QSL.
Roger, Paul, Roger, last transmission was 5 and 6 whatsoever. Here is 100 whiskey into a vertical antenna, nothing sophisticated. Simple vertical antenna, quarter wave and 100 whiskey. QSL?
Okay, QSL, quarter wave vertical antenna and 100 watts. Okay, very good. And my station here is 2-element HEX beam antenna and pointing 102 degrees, and I'm running 100 watts from the ICOM 7610 transceiver. 4 Lima 4 Fox November Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, back to you.
Roger, Paul, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, 404 FM. All well received, Paul. Not going to keep you long. I'm watching your live stream as well. So enjoy the day. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, 404 FM. Goodbye.
And many thanks at 73s, and have a good day. Thank you for watching the live stream. Bye bye.
Cheers, good luck, 73.
Any more stations here? This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango in FM mode, over.
Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike.
Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike. Hello David, you're coming from the back of my beam. How do you copy, over?
Roger, Paul. Yeah, this is Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike. You're coming through to me about 5 and 9. I'm using one of the Albrecht handhelds, Paul. In fact, I was taking a cool video on how to open it up for the handband, and did that, and then thought I'd check if any live streams are on, and I'll be blowed, you're on, Paul, so great to hear you. Yeah, so it's just on the handy, although I am using a 10 meter 5/8 wave vertical, Paul. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango from Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike.
Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango returning. Very good, David. Thank you very much for your working conditions. So I believe that you were using some kind of headset microphone. Headset transceiver. And 5/8 vertical or quarter wave vertical, I'm not sure. So could you please repeat again your transceiver, over?
Yeah, Roger. It's the Albrecht handheld, I think it's Alpha Echo 2990, Paul. You know, about 6 or 7 months ago, back to you.
Oh yes. I know about this handheld transceiver. It does the single sideband as well, right?
Yeah, Roger. So it's basically an 11-meter handheld, although you open handbands, and I literally did the modification literally about a minute or two before I switched the radio on. And there you were, so absolutely brilliant. I think this is probably around about 3.5 watts, 3.5 whiskies, Paul, back to you.
Amazing, yeah, that's really amazing. That is the magic of 10-meter band, that you don't need much power and you don't need a big antenna to have a beautiful contacts. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, your signal report is actually 5 and 8 with me. since I rotated my antenna towards your direction. So you're coming here very nicely on 10 meters, David, with 3.5 watts. Okay. And what's my signal report right now? I am pointing towards you. QSL, please.
Yeah, well, this handy obviously is not the best signal meter, but you're 5.9. It's yeah, end stop, Paul. So yeah, you're 5.9. Unfortunately, I'm getting a little bit of QS Baker, but you're very good. You're coming. As I say, I'm using I don't know. You probably know the Gainmaster 5.8 wave. So I've got that mounted. Probably, I don't know, 10 or 15 feet to its base. And yeah, that's just right next to my condition best. But when the band's as lively as this, that's great. Brilliant to hear you, Paul. I'm sure there's plenty waiting to contact you. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango from Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike.
All right, Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. The one thing what I am missing here on my receiver right now, I'm using the ICOM 7610. It does have a squelch feature, but I transferred the signal to the HDSDR, which I am which I put into the live stream. And unfortunately, I don't see, or I can't find the squelch. Ah, I just found it. Okay, very well. Because the noise is pretty terrible between relations. Okay, David, thank you very much for being here with me on FM mode. Good luck with your QRP activity and your handheld transceiver, 2990. It's a wonderful transceiver. 73, David, and hope to catch you next time. Again, Mike 7, Delta Fox Mike, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Come on. Yeah, that's brilliant. Well, I'm glad you found the that software. I've actually tried using that software myself. I haven't actually settled down with that yet. I use it with I tried to use it with the little Italian ELAD QRP transceiver. I've tried to use it with that, but I haven't really got used to it yet. So it's a bit of a learning curve for me, that. But yeah, brilliant, Paul. So it's great to hear from you, and you have a smashing afternoon on the bands, or in the morning, or whatever, wherever you are over there. I'm trying to think what time you are. I think you're probably a couple of hours difference to us. Yeah, so I'll catch you soon, Paul. All the very best, and yeah, great to catch you again. This is only, by the way, this is only my second or third contact on 10 meters FM. Second or third contact. I made one yesterday afternoon to Morocco. Yesterday afternoon, about tea time. Yesterday, as I'm sure you know, and so I don't get onto FM very much. So I'm really chuffed to contact yourself. All the very best, Paul. Have a smashing afternoon. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango from Mike 7 Delta Foxtrot Mike. Dave in Reading, about 35 miles west of London. All the best.
Oh, I just found the squelch. All right, David, thank you very much again for the QSO 73, and good luck.
Mike, Sierra, November, Romeo.
QRZ again? I believe that the Mike 7, come again. QRZ, CQ, CQ10, 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 Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango listening.
Mike 0, Sierra, November, Romeo. Mike 0,
Uniform Bravo Juliet.
Mike 0, Sierra November Radio, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Good morning, operator name is Paul, Papa Alpha, Uniform Lima. Back to you.
Hello, Paul. We've spoken the centre of the UK. Beautiful signal. I've just been watching your live channel on YouTube, M0SNR.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you very much, Richard, for watching the live stream. And your signal report is 59 here. 59, very clear, very good audio. QSL.
Oh, brilliant. Thanks for the audio report. You're somewhere between an S9 and an S9 plus 20 here. I'm just running some outboard equipment for the audio side, and yeah, I'm glad to hear that it's actually working well. I think this is the first time I've ever used it on FM. Radio's a TS990 running 200 watts into a vertical antenna. That's the main working conditions here, Paul. Okay, well, I get there, so there's quite a few other people that want to talk to you as well, so I'll say 7-3 for now, and good luck with the channel. M0S now.
Okay, thank you very much, Richard. Mike 0, Sierra November Radio, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. I'm running 100 watts into the HEX beam antenna pointed towards your direction. 73, Richard, and you're doing a good job with your radio. Mike 0, Sierra November Radio, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Okay, I believe that there is a Tango Alpha station. Tango Alpha, correct? Okay, Tango Alpha 9 Juliet, I believe. Tango Alpha 9 Juliet, correct?
Tango, this is Tango Alpha 9 Juliet, separation QRP, QR5 by 8, 58, QSL.
Okay, QSL, Tango Alpha 9 Juliet, QRP, this is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Ismail. Very good morning, Ismail, or good afternoon in your country. Your signal report is 5 and 6, 5 by 6. My antenna now is beaming towards Turkey. My antenna is beaming Turkey. So what is my signal now, please? Over.
Roger, just now your signal is here 59 plus over 20 dB plus over 59 over plus 20 dB. My India Sierra Mike Alpha India from YouTube channel. Your live streaming video. Thank you very much for this nice contact. Oscar Mike 0 Tango. This is Tango Alpha 9 Juliet separation QRP. That's 73.
Alright, Tango Alpha 9 Juliet, stroke QRP, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. 100% copy. Your signal is beautiful from Turkey. So your signal was 5 by 7 with me. 5 by 7 with me, Ismail. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima, and I am interested in your working conditions. What is your antenna and your current power? QSL.
Okay, my antenna is dipole. Dipole is about 80 meters, 140, the other side of 40 meters. And I'm using Charlie Golf 3000 tuner dipole antenna.
QSL, Ismail. So the dipole antenna. And what is your power again? Your power?
My power is I'm 868. Sorry, 10 watts. My power is just so it's 10 watts. 10 watts.
Oh yes, I see. I see. Ismail, thank you for the QRP contact with 10 watt on FM and on 10 meter band on the dipole. It's working fantastically good. So yeah, you can be proud on your equipment. It's working pretty well. Also, the propagations are very good open on 10 meters. Thank you, Ismail, for the contact. 73 to Turkey, and hope to see you again next time. Tango Alpha 9, Juliet, stroke QRP, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Paul, thank you very much. Nice contact for tonight. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. This is Tango Alpha 9.
Okay, very good. 73, Ismail. Bye-bye. Good luck. Any more stations from Asia? Any more stations from Asia, Middle East, Asia, Middle East? Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango on 10 meters. CQ, CQ, CQ10, CQ, CQ10. Any more station from Asia or Middle East? CQ10, CQ10. Beaming to Asia and Middle East. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Hello CQ, beaming to Africa, beaming south, beaming to Africa, beaming south, beaming Africa, beaming south, beaming to Africa, beaming south. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, calling and listening. Hello CQ, 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 beaming south, beaming to Africa, beaming south. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, listening. Okay, CQ, CQ anywhere, and anyone anywhere. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango on FM mode.
Golf 8 Uniform Bravo Juliet.
Golf 8 Uniform Bravo Juliet. Good morning, Rex. Operator name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. Back to you.
Yeah, hello Paul, very good morning to you. I was just watching you on the live stream, so I thought I'd come online, or come on the air rather than come online. You're 5 and 9 here, 5 and 9. I'm running about 400 watts here, just for reference, and the radio is an FTDX 101. Back to you. Nice signal from you, by the way. There's a few signals that seem too wide for my radio, but yours is just about the right bandwidth. It sounds as good audio. OM0ET, Golf 8 Uniform, Bravo Juliet.
Golf 8 Uniform Bravo Juliet, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. That's the beauty of the FM. That's the beauty. It reminds me the repeater contacts on VHF and UHF, and you still have an opportunity to make a contact to somebody from around the world. That's a really nice, and the signal is very clean and loud over here from you. You're 15 dB over 9 here. 15 dB, it's a wonderful signal. I'm running 100 watts and the ICOM 7610, and congratulations to your 101D. It's a wonderful transceiver. Rex, we could try also the AM modulation if you like, over.
Yeah, we can try that. It's not a problem. By the way, the antenna here is a 5/8 ground wave. Narrow AM if you require it.
Can we go to the AM mode? AM mode. I believe that's only 50 watts over there, but I'm just curious if you will hear me on AM, over.
Yeah, no problem. I'll go on to AM now and I'll listen for you.
All right, QSY to the AM mode. Let's go. Okay, Golf 8 Uniform Bravo Juliet, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. How do you copy?
Oh, right, okay, that's a little bit too much power. Correct. There we are, that's probably okay. OM0ET, that you're 5 and 9 again, and good copy. So, how do you copy? This is obviously AM. OM0 ET, Golf 8 Uniform Bravo Juliet.
Okay, Rex, that's really funny. Such a difference, such a difference between FM and AM. Rex, sounds a little muffled, but more than on the FM. It's not so wide band wide-banded modulation. You're also 59 here with me, 5 and 9 over here in Slovakia. QSL, Rex.
Yeah, okay, fine there, Paul. I may have got the wrong mode there. I had AM wide. I've got AM narrow now. So I've gone on to AM narrow. So I don't know if it'll improve or whether it's any different. Just checking the mic gain as well. Mic gain may be a bit high. Anyway, there we are. That's the test. And I hope you can hear me. And thanks for the report. Put it back to you there. OM0ET, Golf 8 Uniform Bravo Juliet.
A Golf 8 Uniform Bravo Juliet Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. No, now it is perfect. Now it is perfect. You can leave it 100% okay now. Your signal is quite good. It's not as a high five on the FM, but it is very good. It's very comparable to the single sideband. Over.
Yeah, okay. And that's interesting. I've not used AM on this radio before, mainly teleprinter and SSC. But there you are. Something to put into the log. All right. I'll see you Sunday. I'm going to go and have some lunch. OM0ET, Golf 8 Uniform, Bravo Juliet.
Okay, Rex, thank you very much for the QSO. Enjoy your meal and hope to catch you next time. Again, Golf 8, Uniform Bravo Juliet, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
7-3.
CQ 10 meter band, CQ 10 meter band, CQ 10 in AM mode, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening. CQ10, CQ10, CQ10 in AM mode, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango listening.
Golf 4 X-ray Papa Delta.
A Golf 4 X-ray Papa Delta, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Good morning, Kevin. Operator name is Paul Papa Alpha Uniform Lima QSL.
Good morning, Paul. Yep. You're coming through at about a 5557 into central England this morning, Coach.
QSL. Thank you for the report. You're 59 plus 5 dB, Kevin. 59 plus 5 dB. Are we running 100 watts? Over.
I think I lost a little bit. Can you say that again, please?
Okay. What's your power?
On AM, I'm running 25 watts.
QSL 25 watts. So could we go to the FM mode? FM mode, please.
Yep. QSL now.
Okay. Golf 4 X-ray Papa Delta Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Over.
Yes. Good morning. Yep. Coming through now 559.
Yeah, that's a really fantastic change. From the AM to the FM. It's another world, actually, Kevin. Okay, good to hear you again here on the FM, and your signal report is, I think, 10 dB over QSL.
Thank you very much, Paul. Yep. I think this is probably the first day I've been on FM on 10 for a long while. I've been away from the hobby for some years. So yeah, it sounds good. You're coming through lovely and clear, and it's great to talk to you this morning.
Yes, indeed, Kevin, and you can hear yourself on the live stream as well, so you can see that your audio is pretty good, clean and loud, no problem at all, no distortions in it. Kevin, thank you very much for this short contact on 10 meters. I wish you 7-3 and have fun. Golf 4 X-ray Papa Delta Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Golf 4 X-ray Papa Delta 7-3s.
Bye-bye. Calling CQ on 10 meters, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango in FM mode. CQ 10 meters, CQ 10 meters, CQ 10 meters, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango in FM mode. Alright guys, so this is really fun to use a 10 meter band on FM on 10 meter band. It pretty reminds me. It reminds me old times from the CB band. This FM. So that's a pretty good stuff. So I'm going QRT already to having some mail, and I would like to thank you very much, guys, for watching this kind of different live stream. There is a question if we could try 10-meter repeaters. Well, let me check the repeaters. Yeah, I see some. There is some repeater over here. We can check, but this is AM mode and not FM. If you give me the frequency, I can try to work some repeater, but I need also the tone and so on. VR. This is one of them. I think that it's the minus 100 kilohertz input frequency or upload frequency. I have no idea where is this repeater coming from, so therefore I don't know anything about the input frequency and input tone on this repeater, but I believe that 100 kilohertz down. Or 300? Please let me know, guys, if you know. I'm trying to open it, but I don't know tone frequency. So 29620, which is Kilo Quebec 2 Hotel. Oh, I don't think so that the 2 meter, North America now it's not open, so it definitely will not work. I'm mainly looking for some European repeater, but you see that the activity of repeaters now is very low. But we have here some AM station.
The call sign is Charlie Tango number 1 Echo Hotel India. Charlie, Tango 1 Echo telling. Working 2 times in the forest, 1 in FM, 2082, and I have another one in 2018 and 17 anyway. Running a ISO transceiver FTDX 9000D, 200 watts kDH. The hot end is high gain TH11DX, 5 elements active in 10. And I'm using M1 mic by user company. Anyway, lost 20, blue sky, sunny, and far in Algarve. 9 Zulu Golf, Charlie Tango 1, Hotel India.
Good, very nice. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this live stream. I'm going QRT already. If I will be online back on the radio today, I will let you know. I will maybe just start another live stream. I will see. Depends on the free time and on the propagation. 73 guys, enjoy the day. Enjoy this weekend or rest of the weekend. And I really hope to meet you again next time in my next live stream. 73, good luck and enjoy the radio. Bye-bye, good luck.